The real estate module in Hinawi ERP offers a fully integrated solution for real estate development companies, property management firms, and investors. This module manages the workflow from generating a quotation to refunding the security deposit after the contract ends. The system is fully integrated with accounting, ensuring financial transactions related to properties are posted instantly. The real estate module provides advanced tracking of incoming checks with a detailed log minimizing delays in payments. Hinawi ERP handles the full rental cycle from quotation creation to unit delivery, ensuring all steps are documented. Precision settings protect owner funds with approval controls and prevention of data modifications post-approval. A module manages maintenance work orders from request logging to cost tracking, ensuring efficient operations. Comprehensive reports on occupancy, revenues, and maintenance costs are provided with filtering capabilities. Supports bilingual printing in Arabic and English, allowing customization of contracts to meet brand identity. Records security deposits and links them to maintenance costs, ensuring accurate refunds to tenants. Automatic alerts notify about nearing contract expirations, overdue payments, and pending maintenance orders. Detailed user permission settings ensure data protection with an audit trail for tracking changes. A real estate module integrates seamlessly with other Hinawi ERP modules, enhancing data-driven decision-making. Integrated with HR and payroll, linking maintenance costs to technician salaries for accurate expense calculation.